Structure of an atom. An atom is the smallest unit of matter that retains the properties of an element. Everything around us is made up of atoms. Atoms are extremely tiny, so small that they cannot be seen with the naked eye. Despite their size, atoms have an internal structure with three main parts called subatomic particles. 1. Proton, charge, positive, plus, location. Inside the nucleus, center of the atom, role, determines the identity of the element. For example, hydrogen has 1 proton, helium has 2. 2. Neutron, charge, neutral, 0, location. Inside the nucleus, along with protons. Role, adds mass to the atom and helps stabilize the nucleus. 3. Electron, charge, negative, minus, location, moves in the electron cloud around the nucleus. Role, responsible for chemical reactions and bonding with other atoms. The nucleus. The nucleus is the tiny, dense center of the atom that contains protons and neutrons. It has almost all the mass of the atom but occupies a very small space. Electron cloud. Electrons move very fast in regions called orbitals or the electron cloud. These electrons occupy energy levels or shells around the nucleus. Quick facts. Atoms are mostly empty space. Protons and neutrons make up the mass. Electrons contribute very little to mass. The number of protons in the nucleus is called the atomic number, which identifies the element. The sum of protons and neutrons is called the mass number. Thank you.